a very important topic. I have 3 questions here. By the way, the person I'm interviewing is my cousin Divine. So let's start.
Hi, my name is Divine. So,
Okay, the first question is, who is Jose Rizal?
he is a Filipino nationalist writer and he is a popularly considered a national hero of the Philippines. He is also known of his novels, The Noli Me Tangere and El Filibusterismo.
Okay. Number 2 question. Why he was shot to death?
He was accused of rebellion, sedition, and forming illegal organization charges stemming from his writing and nationalist activities, which were seen as inciting revolution. Jose Rizal was executed by firing squad due to his perceived threat to Spanish colonial role in the Philippines.
Okay. For the last question, why he is our national hero?
Our national hero, Jose Rizal, became the Philippines' national hero because he battled for freedom in a quiet but effective manner. Instead of using violence or hostility, he wrote books, essays, and articles to explore his love for the Philippines to us, our pambansang bayani, Dr. Jose Rizal.
Okay, end of interview. Thank you.